Alright guys, welcome back to another video. For today's adventure we're going to Vermont. And speaking of Vermont, does the nature trail still exist? Because I haven't been to that nature trail since I was a kid and I really don't hear much about it. So if anybody knows about it, leave a comment and I'll probably pin it or try and do a video there one day. For today's adventure we're going Table Rock, and I realize a lot of people don't know about Table Rock because like some friend asked me what I'm doing today. I say I'm going Table Rock and they're wondering like, okay, where is that? So maybe I'll try and shed some light on it today. I don't know why they call it Table Rock though, but Table Rock is a cool spot. It's a small river and I just found out that's a waterfall or something above, around it somewhere, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go and find it today. If you know why it's called Table Rock, leave the reason why it's called Table Rock in the comments and I'll pin it because I really don't know. But I'm gonna go pick up my friends now, so next clip. Alright, so we made it to the river, parked. However, water is muddy. I mean, it was raining this morning. I didn't know it was raining so much. It's still kind of bright. It's a bit overcast, kinda. But water is muddy, yo. Like, look. Can't really beat in that, but I mean we're going still. Try and get some footage of there, do some drone shots so you could at least see how the place is. But still we're going to see what we could get, you know. Stay tuned. Listen, I don't even know how to get rid of it when it stings you. Yeah, you just wait it out. Yeah, and the more you itch, the worse it gets. So guys, this is what we call Table Rock, right? There's a slide I used to do. So here, I would slide from here, come all the way down, back down instead of that. But that's when the water is nice, calm, and not that rough. At the top, it's more of like a kids-friendly area. It's not deep. Kids could play there. Inside, right, inside here, it's more deep, where you could swim, do whatever. So, river is heavy, and in order to go across to get to the fall at the top, we have to cross it. Once I cross this river now, this should done it. But I'm going across this. Okay. What are we doing? What are we doing? Huh? I know. Something?
No, I was thinking, try this on the mango tree, I use it across.
And pull go across?
Try it on the mango tree, then
Alright.
use it across.
So the hold on and walk across?
Yeah.
Come on, let me go.
I was trying to do one loop, my brother.
Alright.
Who's going first?
I think I'll go first.
You want to go first?
I'll go first, I have no problem with that.
What I do is what I want to get. You see anybody?
Oh, okay.
How deep?
Yeah,
How deep?
that's it, that's it. Are we going down somewhere still? Alright. That's it. Let go. I think I thought you said let go. Oh, lower. Oh, okay. Well, sure. Ow. Don't worry, the bag won't get wet. Sideways. Start feeling. Right. You good?
What?
Hold on. Hold it. Alright, there you go now. Alright, step up. Help up now.
Okay.
Alright, yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
We can't let go this.
Yeah, it was stones.
We want like this. We have to use like this.
Roll that stone. Anyway, lift it up. Same works. Inside. Alright. Yeah, we good.
Smart thinking.
Movements now.
I don't think so.
Nah.
Because they come in threes, right? The leaves are in
What?
threes.
Sting loco.
No.
That's not it.
No.
It looks similar to this.
It looks
Yeah.
similar, but it's not this.
I was born in Nepal,
Uh-huh.
and when we went to school there, if you didn't do your homework, they had stinging nettle in a glass, and they would hit you in the back of your thigh with the stinging nettle
What?
as a punishment.
When we were in school,
Uh-huh.
we used to get a strap. They would have like a leather strap, and that's all they would hit us with.
That's
They
it.
use to soak it in your wrist.
Yeah, some people used to soak it overnight so it would get harder. I prefer that over the sting necklace because when sting necklace hits,
Oh, they did it here, so we had to sit down and feel it. That.
yeah, that sounds like child abuse.
Yeah.
A little bit, right?
Yeah.
Have you guys ever eaten this? I hope we should meet going up, right? If we meet, luckily for you guys.
Look one right over
I'll
here.
give you a taste of it. There's a tree right there. I haven't seen none on
I
it.
see it. The green one, right?
No, yeah, it's a green one and a yellow one behind it. So the yellow one is what you want.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, if I put that over there.
Come on, boss, say, let me get a swing, man. Chop them for, like up here. Chop like up here. So me go get right. Oh, almost far. Holding the face still. Yo. Yeah, this is a good lighting right here. Watch out. You know what Jesus a shiny light for me? You know that? Shiny light on me. Yeah, me alone here shine for me. Thank you. So you almost reached, right? Fall right out there? Just now? Ian, remember me and your story? Difference now. When you tell me just now, your just now is always extra half an hour or something. So my phone just overheated and shut off. So I'm now using the GoPro.
So you call it, because it's also the lily. So you just combine the two of them together and you call it ginger leaf. That resembles you. Let me show you an example I'm talking about. It looks exactly like the ginger.
But it doesn't taste like ginger?
Nope, nothing. It smells like ginger, but it doesn't taste like ginger.
So it's in the roots?
Yes.
Oh.
See? Looks exactly like ginger.
Oh my gosh. It smells like it too.
Smells like
Yeah, I
ginger.
tell you, it smells like ginger, but it doesn't taste like ginger.
Still not there yet, eh? I remember I said a while ago, this is a tight one, boy. Hopefully we are there and it will be around the corner. We've been around the corner 2 times and we are still not there yet. Hey, we reach around the bend. You know me just say, I don't go around 2 corners and we ain't reach yet. So around the bend.
Yes, I do.
Alright, alright. Boy, see this here? I go across it. I go here. Up better. Okay, so it's really around the corner.
Yeah, it's right there. Look, look at the waterfall right there.
And we are here. Careful, careful. When we got here, you're falling down. We are here. So there we are, my friends. Free fall. 1, 2, 3 at the top. Yeah? How do we go up? Is there a rope? Alright, there's a rope. So you have to do some more rock climbing again. Huh? Yeah, so you can leave your bag fencing here and then go up. So yeah, going up now, eh? Woo! Cool.
Of what?
The flag!
Okay.
Oh, God, that is so cool.
You have the blue, yellow, and the green.
Alright, so we're finished up here. We're heading back down now. We are crossing. I don't know if this is it, but if this is it, today has been a nice hike. I enjoyed it. I almost got heartbroken because I thought the water was dirty from, you would see. We're going back down now. My guy was telling me about this other waterfall in Argyle. I'm not sure if we'll stop by, but if we don't, this has been fun. What's the name of the fall now?
Pan.
What?
Pan.
Pan?
Yeah.
Pan?
Yeah, P-A-N.
P-A-N?
Yes.
Okay, so the name of the fall is Pan. So it's Table Rock, which is the river where we crossed, and then the fall is at the top. It's called Pan. Pan. We doing anything else?
When today?
Yeah.
It's up to you.
You like I go straight here, I don't know.
Eh?
I have to go Greg's or something for mommy.
Yeah, we'll go straight there. And we drop out anywhere. Maybe we go to Argyle next time. You want to Argyle next time? Go on.
So until next time, stay adventurous